Welcome to Mods and Reviews. My name is Brady, and this is a Lucoco air fryer. A healthier alternative to baking in the oven. The air fryer works by heating the air to a desired temperature for frying foods, eliminating time and space. There are different types of food you can prepare in the air fryer. It also comes with a recipe book. But today I'll be creating my own recipe and make up some potato chips. It couldn't be that hard, right? Have you ever tried this product? Please comment below and tell me what you think. Oh, and while you're down there, put your eyes on my links in the product description below. You can use a Mandolin Slicer. Here's a couple different options for you. And for this particular one, we're going to use this little piece right here. Even with this guard, it's supposed to keep you from slicing your fingers off, but it's pretty damn easy to slice your fingers off. So you want to try not to slice your fingers off. And you just kind of push it up, but not all the way, or else that happens. So now we have our potato chips. I laid them all flat. We're going to add some vinegar and just let them soak. We're going to do some salt and vinegar chips, but I needed to lay them out flat. That way, hopefully, they can absorb up a lot of this vinegar. So what we're going to want to do is make about 4 layers of the potatoes in here. Try to overlap them so they don't stick together. And you're going to cook them for 20 to 25 minutes at about 175. I'm going to set the timer for 25 minutes and the temperature at 175. And so we got our potato chips right here. Overall, I really like the Lucoco air fryer. I would recommend it. These are my likes. It's low maintenance, easy, and even fun to use and experiment with different recipes. And it can't be stowed away when it can be stowed away when not in use. And these are my dislikes. There really aren't any, but overall it wins because it makes cooking fun. Once again, this is the Lucoco air fryer, and those are my thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this information helpful. That's a great way to help support me if you like my content and would like to see me more often. You can also check out modsandreviews.com for a more comprehensive review on this product, as well as other similar products. This video is powered by Race Media Studio in Katy, Texas, West Houston area. They do video, audio production, and photography, as well as graphic design. Thank you for watching.